Zotion C5m wet dental milling machine is equipped with 5-axis and 4-axis milling technology. The CAD/CAM machine can mill dental PMMA, titanium premill abutment, metal disc for crown and bridges, and lithium silicate. The wet milling machine has a strong 1,800 watt motor, which can work for hours. There are 3 different blank holders for the machine. Thanks to the technology of Zotion, the milling is fast, smooth and stable. Choose C5m milling machine and enjoy the amazing technology of Zotion.